Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time design team project. And so today I will be using the Prize Ribbon Blue from Tim Holtz, the Distress Oxide, and I am also using this rainbow background from My Creative Time. Love that. And then from the Time for Tea stamp and die set, I'm using the Get Well Soon, as well as the coordinating die. And then from her cloud dies, I'm using several of these. And then from the Assorted mini tags, I am using this one right here. And let's take a look at that card. I love how the Prize blue ribbon looks on this card. It is just so beautiful. And then I also use, I want to say Merigold for the color for the sun. I did add a shadow piece underneath each of the clouds, as well as on the Get Well Soon stamp and die. And unfortunately, I did have the rainbow background going the wrong way, but you can actually have it both ways. But normally the raindrops, the bigger parts at the bottom, and I forgot and positioned it wrong on the card. So I just left it as it was, and I didn't think that was too bad. But I love the looks of the clouds. Oh, and I forgot. I forgot to show you the cloud stencils. I used the clouds, slopes, and snowflakes. The stencil there. I forgot to show you that, and I still have it all with the tape on there. So, but sorry about that. But yes, that's what I used as well. But very, very pretty. Love, love, love how that turned out. And then there goes the inside. Just pretty plain, but love that. So make sure you visit My Creative Time, all of her channels. I'll have them linked down below, as well as my design team sisters. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.